Hi everyone, my name is Heather Christensen. I am co-owner of Turning It Up along with my daughter Kiara Bowden, whose screen is not here with me today, nor is she in the room with me today, as you can see. But I am excited. We are excited about this next leg of our journey. I just got off the phone with her and she came up with the idea that we should share a manifestation journey with you. So our video today is setting up the context for that. And first of all, we would like to talk about manifestation and why it's important. What is it? And then we want to talk about the pre-work that maybe you should consider if you are going to do this journey with us, which we really, really hope you will do this with us. So manifestation, what is it and why is it important? Because we are manifesting all the time. Our last series that we did on vibrations, our last video was about manifestation and how you can create a really powerful one. And then we created a video about how to create actually create the powerful manifestation. And so you guys, we are spending time on it because it is important and we are manifesting all the time. What is it? Well, it's a powerful thought or intention that we send out, vibrate out into the universe with emotion behind it that actually becomes a reality. So that's what a manifestation is. And the reason it's important is because we are doing it all the time. Prayer is a very powerful form of manifestation. The interesting thing about prayer is that is most likely, if you've never connected to your heart space before, that is most likely the closest you have come to connecting to your heart space, and probably have connected to your heart space because you're putting your whole soul and all of your desire into it as well. And that way it's much more powerful because you have emotion in it and you believe in it, you have faith in it. So that's really an important way to manifest. Another way that we manifest is just with affirmations. We tell ourselves things all the time. So a lot of that is our programming, whether it's positive or negative. We are stating these things over and over. Like I've heard people when they're on the golf course say, "Oh yeah, I'm gonna shank this," and they end up shanking it. "I'm not gonna be able to get it into that hole," and they aren't able to get it into the hole. Or moms say, "Yeah, watch, my kid's gonna do this," and the kid does that. So we're creating all of the time. The important thing is that we just want to be intentional about it, right? Another way that we manifest is by setting goals. That's a positive way to manifest. What we want to do, though, is help drive it home that when you do it the way that we're talking about doing it, it is just going to be that more powerful and effective for you and get it there more completely. All right, so the pre-work, we were talking about some pre-work. What we would like you to consider is being in a state of vibrating high. There are ways that you can do that. One of the most effective ways that we know works is by clearing out all of your emotional baggage and tearing down heart walls. There are other ways that you can do it too that I'll talk about in a second. But the reason that we recommend this is because you are vibrating all the time with your emotional baggage. Some things will make you vibrate more at some times than other times. Like when you go into events, it will trigger something. And then like sometimes you have like this PTSD thing that comes up and you start vibrating a lot. Clearing out that negative emotional baggage really helps you vibrate a lot higher. The other thing is the heart walls. What is a heart wall anyway? Well, it's when every time you feel that heartbreak sensation in your body, your mind will take that negative energy that you have stored within you and it will start wrapping your heart with that negative energy. And then before you know it, you're vibrating sometimes thousands of feet out there. And that is kind of what you're putting out there into the universe, and what it is probably bringing back to you is that negative energy that you're vibrating. So you can vibrate at higher levels by doing meditation. You can do it with listening to calming music, by connecting to your heart. You can do those things. They're just not as thorough as clearing the energy. Sometimes people feel a block in their lives, like they feel stuck and they haven't been able to move or progress forward. Clearing out that energy definitely helps with that. Another positive thing about clearing out the energy that our clients find is that it allows them to be them, who they are. They aren't carrying around anyone else's shared emotion anymore, shared baggage. They aren't carrying around inherited emotions anymore. Sometimes you have premortal emotions that you have carrying around with you. So it's great to clear all of that out and let you be who you are in the present. Let's see. The next thing for pre-work that is really important to do, we talked about this in creating your manifestation, is connecting to your heart. Make sure that you do a meditation beforehand to connect to your heart, because when you do that, then you are aligning your heart and your mind with the same desire. You know that that is your truth that you need to move forward on. I would ask the question, what is the most important thing that I can manifest right now in my life? What is the next thing for me to do? And Kiara and I are going to share ours with you in the next video. We're excited about this. You guys, good luck and God bless, and we will see you in the next one.